Target is in the crosshairs. 3, 2, 1.
Let's finish this.
We have the nuke.
Get me, Haggerty.
Who has one thumb and just saved Las Vegas? This guy! That mother...
We just saved Vegas. And if the world knew what we did here today, they'd want us to party like the rock stars we are.
Are you feeling it?
Oh, I'm feeling it. You feeling it?
Bomb you deactivated was a fake. We still have the 5-kiloton nuclear device. You have until 9 a.m. If you do not comply, the city will be obliterated.
See, this is why I don't drink.
Oh, good for you, Paul. We should all be so fucking boring.
Did you hit someone?
Of course not.
What the? No, I don't care how messed up we are. We're still the best in the game.
Let's do it!
Make one move and I'll blow you motherfuckers away.
I have a clean shot.
Even though I am half drunk and he is fully drunk and high, we're the only people on the planet who can keep it from getting blown to hell.
We believe he was drugged.
Any idea what drugs they gave him?
All of them.